Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Microsoft Edge tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to remove the sidebar in Edge. This is actually quite simple, and there are two ways to do it. First, I open Microsoft Edge, click on the three dots at the top right and go to Settings. Here I switch to the Sidebar tab. Now I click on the slider next to Always Show Sidebar to turn the sidebar on or off. The second way is even a little shorter. I just have to click on the cogwheel in the sidebar and select Always Show Sidebar to toggle the function. This is the shortest way, however I also wanted to show you this way to the settings because if the sidebar is deactivated, I no longer have a cogwheel here to reactivate the sidebar. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.